You're a nosy girl. Come here. You were in there today. You jumped up there all by yourself.
She's thinking about her.
You can go see.
Oh my goodness.
It's warm in there now, Bear Bear. Little Chloe's got to look too. She's nosy girl. Are you nosy?
What do you think, Izzy?
What do you think, Bear Bear?
You gonna do it?
You gonna jump?
Daddy said you were in there today.
I don't know how you got in there, but you got in there, didn't you?
She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
You better go see, Bear Bear. You better explore. Go explore.
exploring.
Yeah.
Do it, Izzy. Run, Izzy. Get it.
What's in there, Bear Bears? What's in there? Mom's undies? Look at. And daddy's t-shirts. And all kinds of stuff.
It's nice and
There's
warm.
daddy's undies. It's nice and warm, Bear Bears. What do you think?
Oh.
You better go see Chloe. You can go see. Go see Bear Bears.
What's you doing, Izzy?
Are you digging?
You liking it? Is it a good place?
Is there something down there you gotta get? Look at Chloe. What's this sissy doing? What's your sissy doing? What is she doing? What's in there, Bear Bear?
She has one of those balls.
Oh,
She wants a ball. Oh my gosh, the bouncy ball.
Oh, that's
She
hilarious.
got it in her mouth.
I'll be danged.
Is that what you needed to get, sweetheart?
I didn't even know she was even was in there.
What you got, Izzy?
You got ball?
It's all about the